So if I were to go ahead and bring in this video right here on VLC Media Player, you can see that this video is in a certain size. And if you want to go ahead and change the level of zoom in this video right here, what you can simply do is go around over here onto the video menu and then go to zoom. So here you can see that this is original size, that is 1:1 size right now. But you can go for quarter size right here, just like this. So it only plays the video in quarter of the resolution. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and then zoom it to half the size right here, or go around over here and then zoom and go for double the size as well, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and use the zoom level right here. You can go for original as well and so forth right here, just like this. Even if it is full screen and you can go around over here onto zoom, quarter right here, nothing happens. It needs to be windowed out right here, just like this, and it uses out the exact size as necessary right here, just like this, as you're playing back. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the video zoom option inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.